Good everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to filter within pivot tables here in Google Sheet using slicers. This tutorial will be relatively easy, simple, straightforward, and quick to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you are interested in watching our beginner's guide, a how-to beginner's guide, an introduction to Google Sheets and other softwares, you may check our video in our YouTube channel. And if you want to watch videos or tutorials, separate tutorials for each of the function and features, a more in-depth tutorial of Google softwares such as Google Sheets, Slides, and many more, you may also check our dedicated playlist that compiles all the different tutorials on our YouTube channel. Now before starting, I want you to make sure that the browser or the Google Chrome that you are using is completely up to date, whether if you are using Mac or Windows. This is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors by doing so. Now, as you can see in my Google Sheets file, I have here a pivoted table which states the branch, item, sales, and stock. Now from here, I want to filter this table in which I only want to show the result for jeans. We do not want to display the results from socks and t-shirt, and that is what we are going to do, filtering. Now, I have already showed a tutorial on how to filter without pivoted tables on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out. But if you are using a pivoted table, we want to add slicers on this to enable filtering. Now, what you would like to do is to highlight these tables right over here, in which is the pivoted table, and then head over to the upper panel of our screen, in which we can see the different tabs that we can choose from under the file name. And under the file name, from these tabs, click on Data, and then add a slicer right over here. Click on it, and as you can see, we need to select a column first. On our right side, we have the column options right over here. We got the branch, we got the item, sales, and stock. Now, since I would like to filter out the jeans only, what I would like to do is to select the item because the jeans is under the item tab. Click on item, and now as you can see, if we press this filter icon right over here, we can now uncheck the socks and the t-shirt, because we only want to display the jeans. Now, once we are sure about what we want to filter, click on OK, and now it will only display the jeans because it is the only item that we have filtered out. Now, let's say for example, I allowed jeans and socks. I will click OK, and now it will display jeans and socks. Now, let's say for example, I would like to filter out the sales that is only $345. And now, as you can see, if I uncheck these two, that is not $345, we will now get only the jeans because it is the only sales that is in $345. Now, for a more in-depth tutorial on how to filter using conditions, we have already created a tutorial on how to do those, so be sure to check it out in our YouTube channel. But from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. If you learned something, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. Goodbye.